What's up, guys? How you doing? It's been a while. I'm gonna go ride that bike today. The KX 250. We just got new spark plugs for it. Because last time I put a video up about a month ago, a little more than a month ago. My dad was riding with me. I was on the four-wheeler. He was taking the 250 around. And he stalled it and couldn't get it started again. So, yeah. But I tuned it up since then. Put some work into it, and it's running great now. We're gonna go down to our trail, see what we can see. Maybe we'll roll up and play with Jesse for a little bit up at his house, hitting wheelies on the mini bikes in the driveway. See what there is to do. I'm going shooting tomorrow morning. I'm going shooting in a while. Take some pew-pews out, you know. For right now, I'm just taking out some vroom-vrooms. I haven't been on the 250 in a while. Actually, I was on the 250 a little more than a week ago. But only for about 10 minutes. That's after I got it. That's after I finished getting it all tuned up. Took it up to Jared's house. See if I could take a few laps around, but it was too muddy. And then down to the woods, but it was flooded out. It's probably still gonna be flooded out, but we're gonna see what's up. Let's go see what do. For real though, the tune-up was all it needed. New spark plugs, tuned up the clutch. It's running great. No cars behind me. No city cops in front of me. Oh man, did I tell you guys about that? I probably did. But in case I didn't, or you missed that video, I was riding Carl, the KX80, and I kind of hit a state trooper. Yeah, that's not advised. That's further up here. Is that little puddle still there? Yeah, it's still flooded out. All right. Let's turn around and go see what do at Jared's house. It's whatever. All this corn's dead. It's running really good now, actually. It's not bogging down or anything. Okay, we're gonna go here. Wow, I put it into second and it was still going too slow for second. Strokes on Facebook Marketplace, actually. Might pick one of those up. What's up, dog? Kodiak? What's up? Alright, I'm back. So, he can't ride and our track is flooded out. Oh! but it's still a wheelie, you know? That was sweet. You're on the wrong side of the road there, friendo. People don't care out here, I love it. Yeah! In the GE Jeep. Dude, people out in the country are great. I love it. I used to live more towards the city. Never did like city rides or anything, but people in the city or people near the city do not like bikes. I got the cops called on me. Like, it's... People in the city do not like bikes, but people out here, like, people in a Jeep that says yee yee, just like, yeah. I got the jumbo from that girl, that was great. I like riding out here. I just wish I had more, like, the sucky thing is before I didn't have space to ride, and now I have space to ride, but I can't because it's always wet. Like, it was always dry at my old house, but I didn't have anywhere to ride. And now I have places to ride, but it's always wet. And that really sucks. That's why I'm making 5-minute videos, because it's just me going up to see if they can ride, going down there to see if it isn't flooded, and then coming back because they can't, and it is. So, I don't know. It's whatever. I got a new Kawasaki shirt. No, I'm just wasting your time, but like, how sweet is that? It's a Kawasaki shirt. My Thor boots.
New boot goofing.
Yeah. But, yeah. I went out to Motivation yesterday, this motorcycle shop down where I live. And I got this shirt. I got a Kawasaki koozie. We just looked at bikes for a while. I actually got pictures on the new 2019 KX 450. I got pictures on my Instagram. Yeah, it was fun. It was pretty chill. So yeah, I guess sorry for wasting your time. That was a pretty quick video. Like, I want to keep riding because the tune-up was so good, but if I'm on the street, I'm gonna get the cops called on me. And I can't ride to his house because it's too wet, and I can't ride down there because it's flooded. I can't ride on my yard because we need it to look nice. We're starting a venue. But like, the 250 runs so well now. I just want to ride, you know? And it sucks so bad that I can't. That's actually why my dad and I went out to Motivation yesterday, because we were gonna ride, but we couldn't because it was too wet. Yeah, that really sucks. Alright, well, then I guess I'll see you guys later. Peace. It was pretty chill.